Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I was hoping to do something a bit different. We're gonna change the key for battery on this Toyota Corolla. This is a key from a Toyota Corolla which was sold in the UK. Just so you know, I'm pretty sure they're standard. So let's get into it. So first of all, we're gonna take out the actual key. So you pull on this tab here towards, so how you're looking at it, towards the right, and then pull on the keychain like this, and you take out the actual key that you can use to open the car or start the car if your car doesn't have battery anymore. Right now, with this, so holding up the key fob with the Toyota logo up, there is a little slot here, this one, if you see it. So you put the key in there and you twist it, and that pops open like this. Oh. And I've done it this way so I don't lose this. Okay, let's take the old one out. Come on. Let's see. It has 2.85 volts. So usually when it gets below 3, it starts to say that you don't have battery anymore. Right, so I'll put this aside so we don't mess about, and then I will open this one. Let's see how this is. Oh, this is 2016. Oh, I need to go and have a look if I do have one of. This one has 3.3 almost, but this is too slim. I need to go and see if I have CR2032 and not a CR2016. I'll be right back. Right, so I did find another one, a Duracell CR2032, just like the other one, which was a Panasonic. Right, so the next thing we do is put it back like this, yeah, and then this clips back in like this, yeah, and then the key back in, and everything is fine. I don't know if you can see the light. See? So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put this back in. hope you enjoyed the video and it helps you. It's really easy to change the battery on these key fobs if you know how everything goes together. So hope you like the video, and we'll do something different in the next one. Hopefully we can get back to a tablet or something. I don't know, I have plenty of things around here that are waiting to be tested or do something with them. All right, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.